So let's start with 15 chains. Okay, so we need 15 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. These are 15 chains. So after doing 15 chains, slip stitch into the second chain. Okay, like this. Then 3 chains, 1 2 3, 3 chains, slip stitch the next chain. Okay, again 3 chains, 1 2 3, then slip stitch into the next chain, again 3 chains, 1 2 3, slip stitch into the next chain, again 3 chains, 1 2 3, slip stitch into the next chain. So after doing that, once you reach only few chains, chain 1, cut the yarn. It tight. It looks somewhat like this. Take green yarn. So you cut the yarn, attach it here, make a simple knot. So once you are done attaching here, do 3 chains, the same pattern which we were doing here. Okay, that same pattern, 1 2 3, 3 chains, and then slip stitch here, again 3 chains, 1 2 3, slip stitch in the next one, again 3 chains, 1 2 3, okay, slip stitch here, again 3 chains, 1 2 3, slip stitch here, okay, then chain over now, chain 1, and then cut. Okay. So you can join it like this. Okay. So this is the thing, how it will look. So now you have to assemble it. First you have to roll from here small, so this is how it will look. Okay, then take the needle and tie here. After you stitch over here with a needle, you stitch. Okay, just take this clip and tie it here. This both the ends pass in this. Okay, so like this, in this end, in this. It is tied very tightly. Okay, one more thing. You can cut the extra yarn. Okay, so it will look like this. So your flower clip is ready.